Hi guys!
Kami unta.
Uwi na tayo guys! Uwi na tayo guys! Tago mo ka! Nagwapa rin umi mo!
Likod pa kami naman.
Gwapa rin bimbi mo!
May kitawag-tawag ka tangkal-tangkal.
Yabi sa tangkal-tangkal! Dapat Skylab malang no! Dapat ko sa hirap Skylab!
Kaya hindi mo yung pasero.
Hari!
Hindi mo pasero. Lagyan yung pasero. Lobot ito na normal. Kaso, reklamo mo na sila. Lobot na nga. Manilabot sila.
Hi guys! Uwi na kami guys! Baba na tayo sa bayan. Uwi na tayo. Ayo, sabi mo, hi guys! Uwi na kami guys! Uwi! Uwi na tayo! Ayan yung karga natin Kaputi! Gusto mo na guys? Ipasok natin dito yan sa bag guys. Durog na yan guys. Ayan na lang tayo na kayo ng pasok ha. Hi guys. Asa man bakaran ng pipinsan eh? Guys, dito na tayo sa bus. Tayo babalik na ng Manila guys. Tapos na yung mga asik-kaso natin mga papers sa bank. Back to Manila tayo. At naghihintay na yung ating trabaho. Malapit na rin yung flight natin. So, karating kami ng Alabang. Bukas pa ng umaga. So, abangan guys. See you later. Bye. Hello guys. Dito na tayo sa barko. Papunta na tayo ng Pilar. Siguro maya-maya ng konti. Aalis na yung barko. So, see you later guys. Sana makita natin yung Mayon volcano. Hi baby, eating lollipop. Oh. Me and I only. Me and here only. Be good girl, okay? Hi. Hi Kathleen. What are you doing? Ayan na guys, doon tayo galing guys. So, bye-bye Masbate for now. So, uwi na tayo. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye Masbate. Huwag ka dyan, makapapulog ka. Kasumampa. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye Masbate. Amayos ka? Don't put your feet, okay? Very dirty there. Where's your one socks?
But so was brought to you by Call Shipping Lines.
Huh?
So Call Shipping Lines. Okay. Our second shower for today. Ano po, sir? Baba? Sorry po. Sorry. Ano ba nga tatawin mo?
Galis na lang kasi si Art, guys. Gusto niya mag-cigar. Oh. Sit down ako, ah. Ay, dirty mo, yan.
Running around and
Iwiwi mo.
notice the chance in heaven that you can find your way to me. Tell me what is this sweet sensation? It's the memory all that's happened. Through a search for an explanation, only one thing it could be. That I was born for you. It was written in the stars.
What?
Yes, I was born for
Candy?
you.
No more candy.
And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. So many foolish people trying to come between us or find the
Punta ka doon?
answer. Somehow that
Again?
thing was seems
No need na.
if they don't realize that I was born for you and that you were born for me. Yeah, this was the world.
Saan?
This was really meant to be what we ever were.
No candy.
Forever take away
This is ocean.
until the day I die.
This
I
is
bless
false.
the day that I was
Yeah.
born for you.
You wanna see that?
Mga oras na hindi na mapapabalikan, ikatay ko.
Buy kami ng noodles, guys. If you want to eat noodles. Magkano siya? 40. No need na. Noodles only enough.
Mahaba yung ano, resize na ano eh.
Huwag ka na umakyat doon.
Karga yung ano, dami.
Okay kayo mahulog, ha? Ganda ng island, guys. Oh.
Ah, maganda ilagay dito sa mga.
Lumabas na yung mga bus. Baba na tayo. Dito na tayo sa Port of Pilar. Hahanapin natin yung ating bus. May kasama ko ang baby, oh. Kurado.
Oh, sige nyo ma'am, pasalubong. Pasin kayo ma'am? Pasin? Hindi. Isa room? Ayun lang isa room. Hindi ko ayun pasalubong mo ma'am.
Are you okay? Opo. Sana yung bus natin. Raymond?
Oo, andun po. Napasok doon sa tabi.
Ah, okay. Thank you. Bus natin dyan. Kaya na tayo. Yeah! Galing ng baby ko.
Sama na natin. Sama na. Ha? Hindi lang ako
Sit down, girl. There, gang. There.
Tanong ko yan. Baka nilagay sa street.
Here, gang. You sit down here. Hi! Hello, guys. Delivery ko sa nasikaso na natin lahat. Dapat na din nasikaso. See you next year. Kaya abangan nyo guys. Dito na kami sa Bikulan. Siguro mga 4 AM o 5 AM. Nasa Alabang. Tulog-tulog muna. See you later.
Nawawala din.
Sabi mo, hello guys. Sabi mo dali, hello guys. Nandito na po kami sa Alabang. Pagod ka ba, baby ko? Ha? Tired? No? Yeah. Dito na kami guys sa Grab. Uwi na ng bahay. Grabe ang biyahe namin. Almost 15 hours sa bus. Traffic pa nga dyan sa sa may Siakong Kisong. Doon pala kami natagalan. Kasi may na-disgrasya na sasakyan. So, see you next guys. Bye! Sabi mo bye!